Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. HBAR is heading down lower. It's basically doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's just confirming at the moment the Elliott Wave count that we've been talking about for a while. I've made a tiny change here in comparison to the last video. I already updated everybody on Telegram and Discord yesterday that I'm counting this move down as an ending diagonal and that we are probably still in the third wave, in which we had an ABC structure, and we're ready for a wave 4 bounce. A lot of altcoins are currently looking at a possible fourth wave bounce from a third wave into a fourth wave, possibly on the weekend. You often see that on the weekend. I have to say one thing though, and I have seen it many times before. Altcoins sometimes finish after only 3 waves. What I mean is, we obviously have this ABC structure to the downside at the moment. A wave, B wave, C wave. The C wave should have a 5-wave move, so another 4 and a 5 is missing. However, if this is a WXY structure, then basically with this swing low here, the move down could be complete. We won't know until price does react bullishly and breaks out of this corrective price channel to the upside, and ideally it will also take out the B wave high at 6.5 cents. I think then we have enough evidence to say that there's a really good likelihood that it has bottomed. There are certain support levels here which certainly play an important role, and I did talk about that 4.9 cent level already weeks ago. We've already come down to 5 cents, so pretty close. At the moment, because it is just a more common pattern, the ABC structure, which should give us a 4th and a 5th wave, at the moment, I find it very likely to still get that 4th and a 5th. However, if I see in this 4th wave price break out above this corrective price channel and sustain there, then I will assume a low has been made. If we get a 4 and a 5, then 4.9 cent will be a target. If we drop any lower, it will be 4.3, but below 4.3 cents, honestly, it will turn long-term bearish. This is basically the last Fibonacci level on the Fib scale before testing the December lows. And if it comes back to the December lows, to be honest, it's already quite bearish. So ideally, it already doesn't drop below the 4.9 cent level because this is the last reliable bullish support. 4.3 is a rather unreliable bullish support. Yeah, and that's sort of the situation, I think, at the moment. Further downside to continue. I think a 4th wave bounce is due, as it is for many altcoins. We are oversold on the 4-hour chart. Well, actually recovered a little bit, but haven't really made any new highs on the RSI. The MACD is reducing negative momentum, which also is an indicator that a low could be near here. We basically have a bit of a bullish divergence on the 4-hour RSI. So, these are all signs that we could be nearly or close to a low. And also, we are now oversold on the daily RSI. So, whenever we are oversold on the daily RSI, it typically is indicative for a bottom. It doesn't always work, but, we are oversold now. On the daily, it's pretty meaningful. We were oversold here on the 10th of March, which was also a significant low. We were oversold here. That was back end of December. We know what happened afterwards. We were oversold here in November. Now that led to a little bit of a rally, but nothing substantial. So again, it doesn't work always. But here we were oversold. It also did move up quite a bit, but nothing substantial. But they are certainly indicative of some sort of a low. And then here obviously in 2020 was the last time before that, and we obviously had a substantial rally. Okay, so I mean, they're all the things that come together here also on the indicator side, which is pretty good. But yeah, I mean, I'm not suggesting this is at the moment short-term bullish. It's actually short-term bearish until we see a signal. Basically in Elliott Wave, what we want to see is a first 5-wave move to the upside and a 3-wave move to the downside, and it's not there yet. Okay, that's my update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.